Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm Robert Blackman, one of your senior customer success coaches here at Bright. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create directions from your search results. So, when we're doing a search, if we're going to schedule some showings and we want to figure out the directions of showing these properties, what we can do is when we're in our results page here, you will see that we can actually go over here into the results page. We can select the properties that we want to show. And down here in the actions bar at the very bottom of the page, you'll see there's an option here for directions. If we click on that directions field, it'll open up this new page here, and it's going to show all of the properties on a map with locations here. So you'll see a list of all the properties and all of the locations. So from here, you can go default to where it is here and what order they're in, and it's going to give you turn by turn directions down here at the bottom. You'll also see if I wanted to reroute this, maybe I wanted to change this around and show in a different order. Maybe I wanted to um, switch 2 and 3. I want to show those in a different order. All I have to do is I can actually click in, I can go and hover over number 3 and I can click on the up arrow to move it up, or I can left click on it with my mouse and drag it into the second position and it'll reroute that list. So now it's going to show it in the opposite order here, and it's going to give me the directions. If I click on the directions button here, it's going to show me the directions on turn by turn on how long the total drive is, and then for each one of these drives, how long in between each of these drives. So that's the simple way of doing it. You'll also see here if I wanted to add a start location from maybe we're starting from my office, I could put that location in here. I can also add a stop. So if I wanted to go in here, I can add a custom stop. So if I know I'm going to stop for lunch with them and we have a place that we're going to do that, let's say we'll go to the grounds for sculpture. All we have to do is go ahead and type that in, click on find stop. It'll locate where that is. And you can see that I can actually drag this into a different position to put it where I want it to, where I want to stop. And then I click on this directions button again, and it's going to then again give me the turn by turn directions to get to each of these. And I have the option here to print these directions or email them. So that is how to run directions right through the search field. So thanks, everyone, and hope to see you guys joining more of these classes as we have them. All right, take care, everyone.